empaye former the president of Ghana. The air cost na enye kwa o. Minia, the air cost na enye kwa. Eye den aka kire me say, o market terminal report ya. O hwe akwala na Max. Na ye de na Akufo-Addo Max to ho. Na ye kofa other president Max to ho. We dey me so facts and figures na me dey ka say when say me pen as me I'm talking about just regular Max here the Max at all. We Max ni we score say who do be a time card at one hour score ma. Na the beats all of them. Yesterday be onu mo nya you don't think that is crazy? Have you people thought about it? Eye den will be tua obe fees. Tio na pese ni panasem. Obima 20 Ghana. Oh, where are them say? Oh, why are dear? Oh, thank you. 20 Ghana. Odana say with gratitude. Obi Boka more than 30 million. Akola bako. More than 3,000 Ghana. Akoda bako pe. Akoda bako. So picture how many children are going to free education. Picture how many children are enrolled in TVET. Na dia otua saaka no ema obane duanedi about time untie dia making you we NDC ni we MPP. I just want you to understand this. Yes, you don't have to be MPP, you don't have to like Nanado, but tell me how rational is this? Say you were struggling to take care of your child, especially in education. Somebody comes and gives you that benefit. Tieni you Osman, welcome. Somebody gives you that benefit. Enti mame ende omba for na sebe owo womwa omo papa eye no ho kwankwa anua sebe ma wentumi amma sebe nkwade yanko school no Akufo-Addo etiom onya o party ni okura de on penasem ne nanim tantantan yanya hwe but mame otua o ba school fees di amano ama na duane oye border 3 times a day. Or your day student are 1 hot meal a day. Mama akwada ne ti wonchen ofie kura no. Obre ansan wa ma no 2 square meal a day. Enti enye wanwa mama asem wa making etiefo nti o. Enye wanwa se obi chaw 10 cedi na wo Ghana. O bra me da ase. Obi chaw 20 cedi a. O bra nya me nhira. Sebe mpredi sama me no mo fa ncheme we dey mesere mo a bad yi sebe ye ma me no mu bi ye ne mo da use mo rough ansana ya ma 10 20 cedi no kura no wo da ase be me bi akotete ni nduro akonononom eyi ebetuni ade ebesi usu awie no we yi 20 cedi 25 cedi or the amount na uwie a wasan adanase na dia o tue sika more than 3,000 Ghana every year they ma oba e ma ne daache no o se o mpenasem. What does that tell you? What, like I want the real thinking people to look. This is not even about politics. You were a teacher, you were a nurse. By God's grace, you were able to me real school 2013. See, 2013. To me real school. To me real school 2013. Na aban na wo ho no say to me ma wadwuma. It's mo for hello Beatrice. Na aban say ma wadwuma. I'm talking to my nurses and teachers training people who passed out. Adentia or say mo ye chew and poor students, graduates. Na no onye magician na wama wejuma. Onye magician no diska ashe ubotom. This is what he told you. Na we school and yes one pass you. Utie on nursing training now okay and yes one pass you pass but unni ejuma. Uko su kire president ne se onye bibi mfa homa wa o se onye magician na wa mauska ana wa mawedwuma. This is what Mahama told you. Into we end this no problem, but under Mahama, because of that you were home. Then 2017 comes. Abain for Fraba. Now for the first what was it away Was it the March? No, April. After budget, no. Right after the budget, you fed teachers over 70,000. Teaching and non-teaching staffs. I'm a nunti. Abrante was your friend teacher could use and one in appointment ABE teachers Ghana. On your MPP, that's no problem. Stick with your NDC. I just want you to think like a rational human being. I want you to think like a rational human being. Under your party's president, you couldn't get employment. When you asked for it, he said he's not a magician. Then somebody else comes. He's not your government. Yes, we know. You don't like MPP. You don't like Akufo-Addo. It is fine. However, he has been able to employ you. Are you guys kidding me? What to be that? Mame, wa asemu amune me die. Asemu amune me die. Dwene ho. Wone be me bi afefru. Wone ne fefru no wanhwew. Oye wa yakayaka de. Ukobisa nkoda no ho niama kora na onma. Dia wode nkola no beta aduane adi kora na mame onma. Na abrantie bi ehu. Sebe mame no mo fa nche me. Ohwe unufu ya nkoda ya no mo amani na asamu ose nya hwe mepene saa. Na ose omma no mepese mi yi omu free saa tibia we mu di omu kotibia we mu. Na papa no etumi agura I started the omma no eko school to mu uniform to mu mpaboa wa yo mu provisions kakra was a fako. Uni obi na wu yo. Uni obi na sad na emma pesa. Meaning why? Sometimes anyway man. Na dia one ne wo ye ne tenkwankwa eni ase. To dame. Na abrantie na wono ba be so mu na ama wo mma na nya daachi ni mo no yese empesa abrantie ni mo asem me sabe me saade we o ye normal sa se mo ntumi nka ne ba bia sabe se nya politics ene ye de ye no be a person that score cheap political point here. Sadly, we unko can be a mobi dida. Seriously.